y'all, it's your girl Mo of all things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is being sponsored by CurlMix. I have partnered with them to show you guys how I achieve these beautiful crunch-free curls using one of their wash and go kits. So if you are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we get into it, make sure that you have subscribed and make sure you have hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. All right, let's go ahead and jump into how I achieved this using CurlMix. Okay guys, so today I will be using the Vanilla Berry Wash and Go system with organic castor oil for strengthening hair. It is comprised of 4 steps. The first step is the pure aloe vera shampoo for clarifying to remove buildup. The second step is the pure grape seed conditioner for hydrating with ultra slip. Step 3 is their pure avocado moisturizer, and step 4 is the pure flaxseed gel. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting off with step 1 of the system, and that is the pure aloe vera shampoo for clarifying to remove buildup. And I have to say, I really did enjoy this shampoo. I enjoyed the consistency of it. It is a nice pearlized consistency. It felt really good going into my hair. What I loved the most about this shampoo was that it was clarifying, but it was not stripping like some clarifying shampoos can be. I also really loved the lather on this shampoo. You guys know I live for a good lather because it does help me feel like my hair is getting clean. So overall, I really enjoyed this shampoo, and I love the way my hair felt after I rinsed the shampoo out. So step 2 of the kit is their pure grapeseed conditioner for hydrating with ultra slip, and I am so glad that this product lived up to its name because I did not detangle my hair prior to shampooing, but when I put this conditioner in my hair, it instantly softened my hair. It provided a lot of slip, which y'all know is something that I really do look for in my rinse out conditioners because I use that step for detangling a lot of times. So I really appreciated that this product was hydrating. It made my hair feel so good, and it made detangling a breeze. So this is what my hair looks like after it's rinsed, and now I'm doing my happy dance because I just love good results. Okay you guys, so now that I am out of the shower, it is time for step 3 of the wash and go system from CurlMix, and that step is their pure avocado moisturizer, and it does contain organic castor oil. Now the directions do recommend that you apply this moisturizer while you are still in your hot steamy shower, but I wanted to come out and apply it on camera for you guys, so I do have a bottle of warm water that I'm just saturating my hair with before I apply the moisturizer. So speaking of this moisturizer guys, it was just so good. I loved the creamy consistency, but I also loved that it was not too thick because as you guys have heard me say in previous videos, sometimes when it is too thick, it just kind of sits on my hair and it doesn't absorb the way that I need it to. But my hair started soaking this moisturizer up immediately. Like my hair just really did love this product, and it honestly did have a little bit of slip too. I was able to further detangle my hair once I applied this moisturizer, so this one was definitely a winner in my book. So after the moisturizer, the final step in the wash and go system is step 4, which is the pure flaxseed gel for styling. And if you've ever used a flaxseed gel before, this one is no different. It has that same lightweight consistency. It actually doesn't really feel like a gel to me at all. It feels more like almost like a leave-in conditioner. It is very lightweight in consistency, but as you will see later on, it packs a punch when it comes to definition. So don't let the lightweight consistency fool you. So I'm just applying this gel like I apply all of my gels when I'm doing a wash and go. I am applying it section by section, starting in the back first, and I am planning to do a side part, so I'm going to style the front accordingly so that my hair can fall the way I would like it to. But I'm doing a combination of the smoothing method. I'm doing a little bit of shingling just to ensure that my curls look the way that I want them to. One thing that the directions advise is that you do not touch your curls after you have styled them them the way that you want to. You're supposed to just leave them alone, allow them to either air dry, you can diffuse, which is what I ended up doing after my hair was about 60% dry. I went in with my diffuser. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after I have applied all of the flaxseed gel throughout the entirety of my hair. As you can see, my hair is nice and shrunken up, which lets me know that it is moisturized, and my curls are defined and bouncy. So I'm just going to let it dry and then come back. Okay, you guys, so here are my final results. I am so pleased with this wash and go. Typically, I go for more definition than volume, but I love that this wash and go gave me both. My hair is fluffy, it is defined, it is crunch free, which I know a lot of you guys prefer a crunch free wash and go. So I was very pleased with my results. Now, I did use the vanilla berry wash and go system that has organic castor oil for strengthening hair, but they have a few other wash and go systems. If you don't like the vanilla berry, I liked it because it smelled just like bubblegum and I loved the smell of it. Plus, my hair really does like castor oil, but they have other systems. There is the watermelon system with hemp seed oil, the lavender one with jojoba oil, there is a lemon cream one with argan oil, and there's also a fragrance free one for people with sensitive skin, and that one has a sweet almond oil. So really you could pick whichever one you prefer, but I loved this particular one. So yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. I will have a link below for you to purchase the product should you choose. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.